Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about how we are going to create a purchase order in Zoho CRM via Node.js API. So here we have a purchase orders. So here you can see there is a no purchase order, and the purchase orders are legal documents for placing orders to secure products and the services from the vendors, right? So let's create via API. So here we have the function for creating the purchase order. So let's copy this and let's paste this over here. Okay, so here we have the purchase orders, right? So let's copy this and call this function here, right? And let's moving to the next part, that is we have to update the vendor ID. So here we have the vendors. Let's have a look, where is vendors. So here we have the vendors, right? So we don't have the vendors currently, so let's create a vendor and let's add the phone number, website, vendor name test, email test dot at the rate gmail.com, sales software, anything you want to update you can update, save, vendor website test.com. Okay, save this and it's created, and this is our vendor ID. So let's copy this and let's update with this. Okay, after this we require the product ID. So here we have the product ID, the last video, so I'm going to use that one. So here we have the product ID, so let's copy this and paste it over here. Okay, quantity, last list price, discount, total price, description, updated. You have to call the API with purchase orders and pass authorization with access token, and the application JSON would be the format, and then log that the purchase order created or not. Let's have a look. So node lead.js, and here we go, something where invalid token is added for the purchase order. I think the issue is with this one, it should not be .com, it should be .in. So it's throwing this that much error. Okay, so purchase order created. If I go to the purchase orders, here we have, and here you can see that the order purchase orders for the office supplies. Here you can see that purchase order for the office supply, that the description, and it's created with that respective vendor. So we have already the vendor, where is which one, where it is, there's a product purchase order, and where it is located with vendors. Vendor, here we have animal, this animal. If I go to the vendors, let's have a look. Vendors, here we have this test vendor, and if I go and just check the vendor information, here we have, here you can see that we have a purchase orders. Okay, yeah, I think it is attached to that one, replaced with the actual vendor ID. So while creating the purchase order, we have to assign it to the vendor, which vendor it is associated with, and due date, status, whether it's duplicated, approved, etc. You have to mention out, and the details of the product you have to add it over here. And this is how you are able to create the purchase order. And without any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.